just woke up and I'm just watching Victoria, and I've got to go to a hospital appointment, so I'll be vlogging. Not in the hospital though. My dog's asleep under the urgency with the little one there. There she is. There she comes. There she is. And so yeah, once I'm dressed, I'll see you guys later. So I'll see you guys later once I'm dressed. Hey guys, I'm back again, and I would love to be in a different country right now, because look at this rain. I don't know if you guys could see that, but that was a hell of a lot of rain. And it's even hailstoning. So, yeah, so I was going to go and play out, but not while this is happening. Yeah, so there's not really I can do. So, guess I'm not going out. And I was just wondering, do you guys like my hat? It's in New York. I got it from JD hat. I got this hat from JD in Prescott. It's a bit messed up there, but it doesn't matter. See, New York. And this is my little wingy in my lava lamp. It's a little seahorse. And all the rest of the fish are at the bottom. I'll turn it on if you like. I'll put it on right now. You guys ready? And here's what it looks like. So that's the light, the bottom, and I'll bubble it. You've got to turn this. You've got to turn it a few times. Yeah, so look at them. I'll straighten the camera now for you. So. Yeah, so that's my lava lamp, and so yeah, and yeah, the rain's pretty bad, so I'll see you guys later. If the rain stopped, I will go outside, and yeah, hopefully the rain just stops, so peace out. It's a bit bloody. Hey guys, I'm back again, and I'm just off to bed now. I'm all tired, and I'm even sweating in these pyjamas because it's really hot. And yeah, so I've been busy all day. Like, after I did my other videos before, I had to go out somewhere, so I never had really much sleep. So yeah, so I'm just going to bed now, and I'm going to sneeze in a minute. Bless me, sorry about that guys. And yeah, so I'm going to bed, and I will see you guys in the morning. Well, not in the morning because I'm in school, so I will see you guys after school. So peace out.